What's up, everybody? It is what it ain't, what it do, what it don't. Y'all listen to what I talk to you. Alright, so anyway, y'all, I got some Dijon chicken, some broccoli cheese casserole with some French's onions on top, and we got some rice. Anyway, y'all know I bust down with the bust down. We finna bust down, baby. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but my sinuses, and I got a berry punch. Yeah. Woo. Now, Jazz gave me some kind of spicy sauce that I put on there. On the chicken. Y'all, my sinuses like tripping. Cut that grilled bird. You better cut that grilled bird. Damn. Mac and cheese casserole, yep. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm not finna keep cutting this chicken. I don't got time for all that. I gotta bust down like broccoli, cheese, casserole. I got one question though. All I'm gonna say is Cash Dog is the dog, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. No shade. I hate the fact that I cannot breathe for real. It's like, God. After I eat, I got some hot Cheetos, some Charlies, and some cashews that I'm gonna eat. That's like my little snack, cause every night, literally, I be up at like 1, 2 in the morning. I be snacking. I be big back snacking. The bigger the back, the bigger the snack, baby. I don't know why, but every time I eat, y'all, like the tip of my nose tickles. Like it tickles. Every time. I don't know why. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna bust down with the bust down. Every time. Every time.